Hi Mickey. To understand skin, sometimes I have to take you on a bit of a journey, and this one is fascinating. Dry skin and why it gets dry. You might be wondering why the wall, but the bricks really help explain this analogy well. The outer layer of your skin contains or has a layer that is literally 1/4 of a millimeter thick. It is that thin, yet that 1/4 of a millimeter literally keeps you alive, us all alive. The reason being is that it traps water. It prevents water leaving our body into the atmosphere. The problem is, if this layer becomes faulty, it's this exact same layer that leads to dry skin. So, bricks, dry skin, how does that work? Simply put, the outer layer of your skin contains layers of dead skin cells. The living ones are below, so don't get worried. The dead skin cells are stacked up on top of each other, just like a pile of bricks. In fact, if you look between the bricks, you see the cement of the wall. In our skin, that cement is replaced with a fine layer of oil or lipid, called the lipid bilayer. And it is this oil layer between the bricks or the cells in your outer skin that gives us the mechanical protection from the outside, but it also stops water getting out between the bricks. So it's a waterproofing layer essentially. If the waterproofing layer is absent or there's not enough of the waterproofing, you can see there would be very clear gaps between the cells and water would make its way out and you would lose it to the environment. So keeping this layer intact is critical to trapping water. And that's the magic behind dry skin.